Yo, Woom! This guy he is never late. He's always ready. How you doing, brother? This is the first stream that we doing on Monday. Yo, what up, Azim? Yo, what up, Spiky? Oh my god, we got some people in here today. Okay, I think I'm still bullish. I'm not gonna lie. I know we've been pushing all throughout Asia and London, but I want to see just a bit of a retrace and then try to ride longs. That's kind of what I'm thinking. The reason I'm probably bullish, it's like, even though Asia kept pushing past, right? It's pushing past Asia and London right now, but we'll see. I don't know, something like this. Maybe this is what I'm thinking. I mean, if it keeps selling off, then I'll be a little bit careful, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. Maybe we did sweep this like a little small internal right here. I must be a little careful. Yeah, I think we could go there. I mean, the sell-off to the downside also seems possible. Although I don't know if we go 2-2-3-8-8. That'll be a long. It'll probably take the entire week to get there, maybe. Okay, maybe not the entire week, but like, maybe the entire week. We'll see. Yo, what up, Trade Breaker? How you doing? Oh, in the weekly fair value, yeah, dude. I don't know if we go there. I'm not gonna lie. I ain't no market maker, but we'll see. Let's just see what happens over here. Like, play the internal for a second. Okay, so ES just swept like London high again. I mean, same with NQ, but ES going. So ES is kind of like all-time highs almost. I mean, it's trying to push back up. Like double equal lows, is it? But no, he swept it. So ES swept this right here. Then start pushing back up. Yeah, I think I'm bullish just because like we have like at least targets on NQ, right? And ES. So look at we're still pushing past, right? So yeah, I'm probably bullish. It's just a matter if we can get an entry or not. So until maybe this purple line's taken at 167, 23,167, I'll probably be bullish. Or sorry, yeah, bullish. I probably won't switch to being bearish until then. Let's see. So you paper trade today and caught the 854 move. Let's see. Oh, that's a solid trade right there. Let's see. 854. Oh, that's a great trade, brother. Right after the inversion too. There's like a 1 minute entry right here too. Beautiful. Solid trade. Yo, what up, Ruby? Yeah, I'm trying to see if we could try to push towards this 23,167 level. So I'm just waiting for an entry if possible. I guess I'll turn on this as well. But I just can't get an entry right now, which is unfortunate. I mean, at this point, like, Yeah, we just pushing past very aggressively. About like 10, 15 points off. You could honestly have just slapped along anywhere in here, just probably would have worked, but I can't find an entry. Sometimes I'll do that if I can't find an entry, but I know where the drawn liquidity is. I would just like slap along, but probably not the greatest practice to do in front of live. My camera stopped working. Give me a second. Yeah, my camera keeps getting stuck. I don't know why, bro. I need to change it. I just want a quick retrace if possible right here. This is like probably my only entry if I could get in somewhere right here. This is probably my only trade if I could get in here. Okay, we have a 1 hour fair value gap and then a 4 hour fair value gap equilibrium of the fall as well. Okay, I'll keep a lookout. Like I said, so I view fair value gaps as not points of resistance, but also points of like where we're drawing to, right? So I want to see the fair value gaps get filled as well. So sometimes I'll use them as targets as well. So if I could get a quick dip into here, I'll try to take it long. Do something like this. On, bro. I mean, we had the read, bro. My camera keeps getting stuck, bro. What is this? We had the read. I'm just saying, bro. I called it out. Oh, it's funny. I look at the market just for a couple minutes, and I'm like, yeah, it's probably gonna do this. Okay, so now we swept that level. I could see us still pushing towards this 4 hour high and 1 hour high. So I like the next target at around like 255, but I do expect a retrace somewhere around here. So we'll just have to see. If we like get an inversion out of here, like that's not bad. So I'd be interested in it, but we'll see. Okay, 176 I guess is the next level. It's like a 5-minute high right there. Okay, scratch the long idea for now. I just kind of want to see if we close below here, I'm taking short though. Because then at that point where we have so many targets to the downside, right? We have so many targets to the downside, but like we need to break through this fair value gap with kind of like speed. So it's kind of what I'm aiming at right now. Like this high right here is insignificant, so we don't sweep it, it's also fine. Alright, let's see what ES is doing. ES is still trying to reach for these highs as well. Okay. I mean, if ES keeps pushing, I guess it'll be fine. I guess NQ would just push as well, but I kind of want to just see a retrace if possible, because we've been pushing for like 330 points plus. Asia, London, that's crazy. But yeah, how was everyone's day so far? This is the most viewers we've ever had on a live stream. I'm pretty excited. Let's go. It's 6:30 over here in California. I'm a Cali boy. I remember last week my friend was like, yo, let's go to the gym at like 5 a.m. right? Because I got work usually at night around 5 to 9. Sometime yesterday I was at work from like 2:30 to 9, right? I'll get out at like 9:30 or 10, and then I'll go home, eat, and then try to go to sleep as fast as I can so I can wake up in the morning, right? And then he was like, yo, let's just go to the gym early so you don't have to do that. I totally forgot to message him, bro. Oh shit. Okay, let's see. I do want to see a sell off right here if possible. India. What time is it in India right now? $7 p.m. Okay, okay. Yeah, all my Indian brothers are here to support me. Let's go. Let's go. Hold up. Let me pull up. I'm gonna do my shameless plug. Hold up. Don't make sure to check out Tradeify with my link. It's 35% off right now. Use code Monk for the best discount. Code Monk for code. Don't mind me, guys. Don't mind me. There you go. I'll just leave it there. I'm just saying. I was just, if anyone ever needs. Okay, okay, scratch the short idea. Okay, ES. Okay, it looks like ES is still trying to push towards these highs. So now I'm okay. Still taking these longs, I guess. Like I said, I'll probably okay with taking it 255. So I want to see how we react at this next level right here. So when I do get a retrace, if I get a retrace into this fair value gap, right, what I'm looking for is not a tap. I'm not going to take the tap. I'm waiting for a strong candle to close out of the fair value gap. So I want to see a candle like something like this, right? Like a little to no wick candle right here. Like I just want to see a strong closure above this fair value gap. I'm not going to take the tap. You guys will see when I enter. And also, you should not be taking the same trades as me, right? You should not be taking the same trades as me. Copying trades is bad. This is not financial advice. What up? Would you take a reversal off of this? I don't know how I feel about today's PA on No News Monday. Yeah, that's what I was like looking at for a little bit right here. But like right here in this little price leg, I was hoping we'd get like a strong candle closure below, but now at this point we're kind of just pushing, and I'm thinking we still have room for higher. So I think the reversal's off the table now. Unless we just start selling off aggressively. And the reason is ES still didn't take the swing high up here at the 4 hour, right? Or sorry, not the 4 hour, the 1 hour swing high right here. So I think that's what's kind of dragging us up. NQ's kind of following suit, so I just can't get an entry right here. I've been trying to get an entry, bro. I probably should have just slapped long. Honestly, I was thinking about slapping long at 121 and just trolling, but We were live. I'm like, I probably shouldn't, bro. No entry, so it's fine. Price, there was an SMT, but not now. Yeah. Gotta wait for an entry. Form anything right here. Until ES like it gets taken right here, like 331 on ES, like I'm okay taking a long somehow. The reversal could happen at 10 a.m. macro or late New York PM session, but look at what market conditions are telling you right now. Exactly. It's Vince, my brother. Vince, he's here. Yeah, keep preaching to these guys. Yeah, we got 14 minutes till the 10 a.m. macro, so we'll see. That could end up doing the reversal. I mean, 10 a.m. like market open, or sorry, not market open, candle open. Like just based on this, also the 10 a.m. like 4-hour could open bearish. We might sell off for a little bit, and then it'll flip bullish and look something like this. So you see how we have all these bullish candles after we swept this liquidity. What I could expect from the 10 a.m. like macro is a wick down, right? So on the lower time frame, that would look like just a sell off, right? And then a reversal like this, and then we eventually close like bullish on the 10 hour. So your candle would look something like this. We might retrace into honestly this 4-hour fair value gap too. So we'll see. God damn it, bruh. Alright, ES just swept those highs. Alright, so now if we start selling off, that would be okay. If we keep pushing, I would be kind of like scared at this point. I don't know. Because now we don't, like, I value swing highs more than like fair value gap fills, right? So if we keep pushing with like no swing high in here, like it's not bad. It's just I'm a little bit skeptical, I guess. So I just gotta be careful. Plus, like, there's no retrace within any of this, like, what do you call it? Price leg, right? Which is not ideal. If we do sell off, I will target equilibrium. All right, I like that. For me, if we do take a short somehow, I'll probably take it till like right here. All right. Well, this will be the first sign of a reversal, but like on ES, it's not clear because it's like no swing high, right? We're just in an hourly fair value gap, I guess. I guess CE if it's fair value gap now, huh? So we're in CE of a 1-hour fair value gap at least. Oh my god, we're at 10 viewers. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Are we sell off right here? I still wouldn't take a trade, right? The first inversion that you see is like not the, like usually I would take the first inversion if it's like a major liquidity sweep, right? But right here it's just we're in the middle of nowhere, bro. We're in the middle of nowhere. Like I said, fair value gaps could also be used as targets, so we could end up pushing still. So I wouldn't take a short here. It's like too random for me. But unless we start getting like super like a lot of momentum through here, I'll be okay with that. But like we're kind of just chilling here right now, so I mean maybe if we break past this one, that'd be okay a little bit more, but we'll see. Or unless ES, maybe if ES closes below on here, that'd be okay. Honestly, that might not sound bad. Like if ES closes below here, I might take it instead here. I'll give it like a small stab. Let's see how many. My stop would be like 14-ish points. I'm thinking. I gotta see like some decisiveness though. I don't want us to like chop around right here. Honestly, I might give it a small, like I might go even half size, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm thinking just like going even smaller size and giving it a shot. Okay, we did close it below, but I'm still not in. Okay. Honestly, I'll give it a stab right now. I might scale into it if we get a lot more momentum. First scale would be like right here if we could get here. So how many points? So yeah, it'd be 1.5 R right there already. And then try to aim for maybe the swing low. I'm only in half size, guys. I'm only in a half size. And then I'm gonna scale half right here, a little bit more than half. Or not yet, I guess. I didn't quite get there. So we'll see. He has tapped into the fair value gap though, so. We're starting to get a lot of momentum now, which is nice. All right, so first scale just is about to hit for me. Hold up, not yet. Okay, so first TP hit, God damn it, my camera froze again, bro. Hold up. All right, stops break even, guys. Stops break even. Stops break even. Stops break even. Right here. Stops break even right there. Let me fix my camera. God damn it. It happens at the worst time, bro. All right, let's see. Hold up. There we go. All right, and am I stopped at break even? I think I just got stopped break even. Wait, my thing's doing something. All right, I think I'm on break. Okay. That was a quick, small winner, I guess, but not enough momentum through, right? So now I'm like not. If we kept selling off, I would have liked it even more, but we're kind of just chopping around. Order execution, just executing the camera. Bro, my camera stopped working again, bro. What is this? What is this, bro? It's not like it's getting disconnected or I hear it disconnecting either. I can't believe this. Alright, I'm all out though. Sitting cash now. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Okay, well, we're still pushing past, which was, you know, kind of expected, but we got a mini short in, so it's fine. Hold up. My camera, all right, I don't know. I don't think my camera is just working, I guess, so. Oh shoot, okay. So that's a strong candle, super strong candle closure. I might take a long here instead to ride it into this level. Maybe a little, just a bit of a retrace into this, like, I'd be okay taking another long, or not another long, just a long. Let's see. The super strong candle closure out of the fair value gap right here. Well, I'm gonna take a stab long, and then try to ride it 251, I guess. It's not the greatest RR, I'm not gonna lie, but it's kind of just quick scalp, I guess. Yeah, no news Monday. Hold on, I gotta fix my camera, bro. All right, well, I'm taking that TP right there, 10 points. Boom, let's go. Quick scalp. Let's go. Let's go. Who took that? Who took that? God damn it, I wish I had my camera. God damn it, bro. Oh, there we go. Who took that with me? W's in the chat. All right, I'm joking. I'm trying to be those, like, trading gurus that do that. Hey, who took that with me, chat? Who took that with me? Hey, 2 W's on the day. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, can I show it? All right, so here's the executions, right? I still have one more Tradeify account, I guess. So, like, that one Tradeify account I still have is acting as reserve. I was gonna activate it, but I was like, I'll see. We'll see. Move, hold up. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. So, first execution, or sorry, this miniature execution right here. I think if you held a little bit more right here, right? I think if you held just a little bit more right here, you've been able to capture just a little bit more than me, right? How many extra points did this offer? This could have been like a 25-point trade. Yeah, I'm copying two accounts right now. Honestly, I was gonna do 3, but yeah, like I said, I didn't want to in case I blew these accounts. So my next payout, I'll copy trade 5. I have one ready to activate already. I already passed that one, so just waiting on that. I want to get a payout with these accounts first, and then copy trade. And then the other one is on MNQ. So the MNQ right here. For some reason, it didn't exit out of all the positions right here. So I thought 5 positions short scaled out of 3, right? And then got break even. So yeah. But yeah, that's no more trading for me, bro. You know what you're supposed to do when you take dubs on fucking Tradeovate, right? You go over here, right? You go over here and oh wait, hold up. This is what you do. You go in the top right corner. You go in the top right corner right here, right? And you fucking close out of trade mode, so you can't press any buttons, right? Same thing right here. Spam the fucking exit all button. And you close out of the goddamn thing. So now you can't take a trade, right? You're not gonna cheese yourself. You're not gonna, you know, do stupid shit. And everyone's gonna have a great time. I am such a newbie when it comes to OBS, bro. I can't lie. Yeah, so where you stop losses when it comes to inversions, or there's a couple ways that you could go about it. So let's say this was an inversion right here, right? TB, right? Trade breaker. let's say we go short right here, right? And we get we did closure below. There's a couple ways you could do this. There's 3 stop losses, maybe 4, right? You could just put it wherever, honestly, above the inversion, right? That's one, right? Anywhere above the inversion, right? So you know, as long as you close below, right? You could put it anywhere right above here, right? And then do whatever you need to do to scale or go break even, right? Number 2 is going above the candle that like blasted through the inversion, kind of, right? So in this case, it'd be like right here, right? Third, the relative swing high, right? So it'd be over here, right? That's the third one, right? The fourth, or is that the fourth one? Okay, so first one, just anywhere above the inversion, sure, right? That's one. It's a little bit more relaxed. Second one, above the candle, like right here, right? Just like at the candle swing high, right? The candle open. 3, the relative swing high, right? The fourth one is anywhere above the inversion, right? So let's say somewhere over here, but if we close above, then you would be out of the trade, right? So if we somehow reach, so let's say we close below right here, right? And we retrace and we close back above, then you would just automatically exit your position by yourself, right? You would close the position yourself. It's kind of just whatever you're comfortable with, what your risk tolerance is, right? For me, I'm honestly okay with just having the inversion anywhere above the inversion or at the candle right here. So let me give you a different example. So for this inversion, right, that you took earlier, wait, was it you took this trade earlier, right, TV? The 850, was this you, right? Go check. Who took this trade earlier at the 850? 854? Yeah. So yeah, it was you. Okay. So this inversion right here, right? It was also an inversion right here, right? So how I would do this inversion, right, is obviously entry goes right here, right? Anywhere below, or sorry, yeah, anywhere below the inversion, or have it like right here, right? Maybe like somewhere right here. So one, right? Just like anywhere below the inversion. You could also do one below right here, right? One below right here, and then one below right here. And then if it just closes below, then some people just exit their position because they think it's gonna reverse. It's kind of just up to you. For me, I don't wait for the inversion, or sorry, I don't wait for like a retrace. I just, if it just hits my TP, or if it hits my stop loss, then I'm out of the trade. That's pretty much it. Azim, do I trade London session? I used to, but then I gotta wake up so early for that. I stopped doing that. London, I traded Asia, technically, I guess. Took a loss because of spreads. I had a spare FX account, took the same trade, but spreads messed it up. No. That's why I stopped trading Forex, bro. Fuck the spreads, bro. Oh my god, bro. I hated fucking Forex, bro. I get PTSD thinking about, like, it's cool. Forex is awesome, right? Because like technically you could trade 24 hours a day, right? 24/7. Okay, I don't know about 24/7, but like 24 like hours a day, right? There's so many pairs. But then the thing is, like, I had to look up at like 20 different fucking pairs, I felt like, and some of them aren't even like that volatile, right? Because it's during Asia, right? If you're trading like 2 Asian pairs together, or like London and an Asian pair, like your USD, or sorry, Euro, like JPY or some shit, right? Bro, like, and we're trading the New York session. There's no volatility, but you have to trade that during the specific kill zone, right? I didn't like it, bro. Too much stress, yeah. Bro, my trading view now showing me real-time data. Do I have to buy premium? It is showing you real-time data, or it isn't. Currently, I do not trade anything other than New York now. Cause for me, oh, it's not. I think you, like, if you haven't paid for the like data, I think you might have to, yeah. Hey, use my link in the description. You'll get 15% off on your plans, or $15 off or something. I don't remember. It's there in case you need, bro. I got all the resources in the link in the description. Yeah. Or you could just always tune into the stream and then you'll just see what I'm executing, right? Use that as your real-time data right there. Although that isn't probably what you should be doing, relying on someone else's, but yeah. If you have a funded account or a prop firm account, use just the Tradeify. You don't have to pay for the trading view. It looks ugly. So when you buy account with Apex or any other Tradeivate platform, do you purchase the trading view data? No. Ruby. What you want to do is get the Tradeivate option. Don't go do the trading view. Do the Tradeivate option, and then you can activate trading view through Tradeivate. You could do that. Don't go Aqua Futures, bro. That prop was by like an 18-year-old kid, bro. Don't do that. I saw like an advertisement on Instagram one time. I was like, oh, what the hell is this? It's some like 18-year-old, bro. Like that shit's a scam, bro. Don't do that. Okay, me being profitable is like a state, right? It's like when you're consistently making, like, for me at least, like monthly incomes. I haven't been profitable in a while, in probably like 5 months. I was profitable for like 5 or like a 6-month stretch, and then I stopped being profitable because I started trading really bad. I wouldn't say I gave up on trading, but I took a break from trading a little bit. It's been on and off for like 5 months, right? And then I was like, you know what? Trading's what I want to do with my life. I gotta lock the fuck in and then like kind of go hard at it again, right? And then here I am now, trying to get back consistent. So September, October, November, December, January, February, for 6 months I had a payout every single month. And then I stopped getting payouts because I started trading bad, like I said. So it's been a while. And I started trading like January of 2024. Oh, spiky. No, that's not. No. What I meant is like you could execute on TradingView, not you get real-time data. TradingView and Tradeivate are different. If you don't have a TradingView subscription, then you're not gonna get real-time data on TradingView. I'm just saying, if you have a Tradeivate account, like when you buy it on a prop firm like Tradeify or MyFundedFutures, don't go with the TradingView option. Just get the Tradeivate option and then get the TradingView. You could also get the TradingView. You could execute on TradingView is what I meant. Yeah, everyone goes at their own pace, bro. You got it, Rosso. FX Alex. Okay, for me, it's not bad to like get started with these Forex guys, right? Or like FX Alex. I used to watch him, but it was more lifestyle. But like those guys, they're selling courses. They're selling you a dream and like all these other stuff. I would focus on the more educational people. So I'll give you a couple people, right, that you could look at for me that I learned from. The biggest guy that like you see me who like I trade similar to is Lanto, but this guy's on Twitter mostly, right? On Twitter. T trades, right? Everyone should know T trades if you're trading ICT, right? Justin Werline, right? Justin Werline, Dodgy, right? Everyone knows Dodgy as well for inversions. Who else did I learn from? Honestly, like this is already solid. This is literally everyone I learned from for trading ICT. But Lanto I trade most similar to, right? Because I only trade liquidity and like just fair value apps. Like I don't trade breaker blocks, I don't trade order blocks, I don't trade SMT, or like I'll use SMTs. I know how to use them. I know how to use standard deviations. But for me, that just overcomplicates it sometimes too much, right? I just like to keep it simple. Justin Werline, the reason I like Justin Werline is because he gave me like the context behind the markets, right? So what I mean by that is you need to understand that the market moves by orders, right? Stop losses, stuff like that, right? So we move based on liquidity, right? So there's buyers and sellers throughout the market. We like to stop out sellers and then target buy side and just vice versa, right? I think I might make it like a context video like that soon if you guys want. Like But essentially, day traders like us, bro, we're just small fish, right? We make up probably like 2% of the entire trading market, right? What our job is, right, as day traders, is to catch the big moves that the big whales and big sharks that like these hedge funds and like institutions, right, the big banks and stuff. We're just trying to ride the wave, bro. We don't, if you think we move the markets, bro, you were wrong, bro. Bro, we do not have hundreds of millions of billions of dollars to move the market, bro. Views on Sniper. I think I heard of Sniper. I don't use him as well. But who else did I watch? Honestly, I think this is already a solid group. Let me check my subscriptions list. I'm not gonna lie. Who do I watch? But yeah, like I said, I got started with a whole bunch of Forex guys. And I just started watching them. I'm like, you know, it gave me the inspiration to like get started. So in that sense, I'm grateful to those guys. But at the same time, like, don't trust everything you see, you know. Who else? Yeah, honestly, I think this is a solid list. These are my recommendations. And I think order of importance for me. Lanto's number one for me. T-Trades. Oh, honestly, maybe T-Trades at the top, right? Because, I mean, he's just showing you like examples of, what do you call it, different concepts, but like it's kind of up to you how you want to structure your thing. Lanto for me is just like the structure that I needed, right? I don't need anything else except liquidity and fair value gaps. That's pretty much it. Justin Warline, I like the context that he gave me. Dodgy is kind of just like, he'll teach you inversion, stuff like that. I don't like the actual inversion model itself, because he goes break even immediately, and bro aims for like $50, bro, and he's like, yeah, it's a fucking W, bro, but then immediately gets stopped out. Okay, he doesn't get stopped out, but like his break even. TJR is funny as fuck, bro. I can't lie. I'm not learning from TJR though. I'm sorry, bro. I refuse to learn from TJR, bro. TJR is a funny ass dude though. PB trading, same thing. I think those guys are more content on the content side. I think TJR, he has like a boot camp that people did. A couple of my like friends, like online friends as well. They learned from TJR. So he's not a bad guy by any means or a bad teacher. It's just for me, I'm not trying to learn from TJR. I will say he's funny as fuck though. I will say he's funny as hell. I love TJR. He's funny as fuck. You see him online and he's like tweaking and shit from like, I don't know. He's funny, but that's about it, bro. PB trading, same thing. I think they're just more content side. I wouldn't put too much faith in them for ICT. I saw him before he blew up. PB. I saw him a couple times on my feed on Instagram and stuff like that before he blew up. But yeah, that's it for me though. Took 2 dubs today, right? The first one is over here. Second one, we took the trade right here, riding into those highs. 2 W's on the day. We're not gonna push it anymore. So yeah, I will be live tomorrow on Tuesday and Wednesday as well. Thursday, Friday, I will not, because I have family coming over. So I can't be yelling in the morning, you know, you feel me? So Justin from Mindset and Liquidity Insights, 2 T-trades for every freaking, yeah, you want? Trade Breaker, you broke it down perfectly, bro. You broke it down perfectly. Okay, honestly, I would say that's the order of importance that you need. So everyone in the chat right now, Tempo Trades is cool too. Yeah. He's very educational. Yeah, Tempo Trades, I recommend him. Yeah. What do you call it? Justin, I would say, okay, so I would say T-Trades if you don't know much about ICT, right? Just go T-Trades, learn everything about ICT you need to, right? I would just recommend liquidity and like fair value apps, but it is good to have background knowledge on like the other concepts, right? 2 is Justin Warline. Just for like if you watch his older videos, he'll explain like he'll just give you the confidence and like background knowledge that you'll need to trade into the market, right? And 3, Lanto is who I modeled my model after, right? My trading style after. So sorry, did Spiky have a comment? Let's see. Yeah, just in TJR. But yeah, Monk is my favorite of all of them. Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you, brother. I'm just trying my best out here. And one day we're gonna make it big, and I will never forget Tradebreaker, Spiky, Ruby. I will never. My boy Woom, Vince, all the people who tuned in before we got big. You know what I'm saying? You long realistically, you think trading? How long realistically you think trading should take? Trading? Like trading, right? Trading should take? What do you mean? If you're asking like how long it'll be to be successful at this, everyone's different, bro. I know people who've been trading for 5 years before they found success and stuff like that. For me, it took a little bit as well. I still like trading is something I enjoy as well, as right, because it's something you're always constantly learning, right? Something you always have to constantly improve at, and because the markets are always kind of changing in a sense, right? What might work today might not work tomorrow, vice versa, stuff like this, right? And it's more trading helped me improve myself outside of trading, right? My life outside of trading, right? My mindset, my discipline, stuff like that, right? Other stuff, my ambition, right? Like who I want to be in life, right? So it gives you a lot to think about and work on, which I appreciate a lot, right? So I think I'm gonna do trading for as long as I can. Eventually I want to shift towards more a business side, right? Because business, you're a little bit more hands-off. Trading is stressful at the end of the day, right? It is stressful, I can't lie. Trying to make money from trading, but if you could have multiple streams of income and stuff like that, that's why I'm trying to do affiliate marketing and start a YouTube channel and this all. Like, use your personal brand, right? I recommend everyone here doing the same, right? I could see some of you guys already doing the same, right? Come up with a YouTube channel or something, document your journey, right? Share the journey and then try to build an audience from it, right? And use that as leverage for whatever you want to go do down the line, right? Because then at least you'll have an audience, maybe hopefully a loyal audience that not necessarily you could sell a course to or this or that. I will never sell a course. I'm gonna say this right now. I will never sell a fucking course, bro. Right? But like maybe I'll offer other stuff, like I could act as the middleman for a product that I like or this or that, right? So yeah, just yeah, trading is something that's a lifelong journey. So I guess you know, enjoy the process. Don't ignore people in your family, right? That's what I kind of did for a little bit, right? Talk to some of your friends, but don't necessarily tell them that you trade, right? Because then everyone's gonna be asking, oh, you trade? How much do you make? Are you profitable? This or that, or like they're gonna doubt you, right? So keep it to yourself, and then once you start seeing, you know, success, still don't tell anyone, right? Don't tell anyone. Still, just go at your own pace, bro, and we all gonna make it, bro. I'll see y'all at the top, at the Burj Khalifa, you know, when we fine dining and stuff. I'm like, hey, dude, it's Ruby, it's Spiky, it's Azim, it's Tradebreaker, and we're just all in our suits and stuff. We're just chilling in Dubai or something. I don't know. That sounds pretty fun to me. So, yeah, that is it for me though. I will see you guys tomorrow, around 9:30 New York Open as well. Took 2 doses, and yeah, I will see you guys later.